you want to pay 40% or 20%? I'll show you a way you can convert your Roth IRA and not pay ordinary income taxes. If you have a portfolio and investments or real estate or anything else other than your IRA, really easy for us to engineer the tax down from 40% to 20%. Why do people do Roth conversions and why is it so crazy? I'll tell you why. All this snuck up on the generation that we would call the boomers and the X-gens, the people that are over 55. And by the way, I'm in this zone. We all saved a ton of money when they passed the 401k and A and B and C and D on the IRA rules, all that stuff. 1974, they passed the law. We stuck our money in. Nobody told us they could change the tax rates. Now, I have a handy tax chart for you, and it shows the top tax rates in America. At World War II, it was 94%. It was 69% in 1981. Right now, we are at the lowest tax rates for high-income people in a long, long time. And a lot of people have a belief that taxes have to go up in the future, at least even just a little bit, to fund all of the needs we have for social welfare programs like Social Security we're collecting. The FICA tax is most likely going to go up. Medicare, a lot of old people are making like $11,000 every day in America going on Medicare. And because life expectancy is strung out, people aren't dying and get the hell out of the way. So let's be realistic. If you think taxes are going to go up a bit in the future, then you're in the mainstream. If you think you should reduce your exposure now by doing a Roth conversion now, you're thinking properly because it's pay me now, pay me later, or the kids pay. There's no out. Right now in history, best tax rates in history, best tax strategies. We've actually just engineered as little as 8% taxes on $1 million Roth conversion. And I think that if you're going to do it, you want to do a Roth conversion on the seed, not the tree. What do I mean by that? If you got a $1 million IRA and you're a good investor, you know very well over the next 10 or 15 years, that thing's probably going to be $3 million. So do you want to worry about taxes at the $1 million level or the $3 million level? And we will run the Roth conversion analysis for you. Between 75 and 95, in most cases, a $1 million IRA will generate about $500,000 in taxable income and then be taxable to your kids on top of it. So let's be smart about this. To find out about progressive tax saving ideas, you need to speak with an advisor, whether it's us or somebody else, about all the options that you have in 2026. This is a really time-sensitive discussion. If you are in the zone 55 to 75, you have IRA money, now is the time to reach out to your advisor or some advisor on our team around the country that can help you with this. I'm Paul Mauro. This is Smart Financial. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date. Download some of our free resources like this chart. Reach out to us. I'll see you again next time in Smart Financial. Staying on top of the opportunities you have right now with your IRA, that's just part of the art of being smart.